I love how you pay homage to like classic Southern American dishes like collard greens, right? You have this whole chapter in here all about around collards. What inspired the collard green ramen?
I can tell you that's definitely from my mom and my dad. My dad would make collard greens any time. And my dad was so frugal that he would never throw anything away. Anybody knows anything about collard greens, it tastes better the next 2 days anyway.
Definitely.
And my mom had this love for Chinese food. I mean, she loved it. So there was this Chinese food place on 87th and Jeffrey in Chicago that served yakami, a warm meat soup. And it was a little bit of sliced pork belly, hard-boiled egg, noodles, and scallions. So she would bring that home and sit on the table. And my dad's like, well, we got these collard greens in here. You know, we got to heat these up and put them on the table. So they would go on the table at the same time. And then you think about it, in a bowl of ramen or everything, and you put the collard greens on top. Like, this is a dish I was eating when I was like 6 years old.